So I'm going to talk to you about the Skin Renew Cleanser from Nourish. So I've been using the products from Nourish for the last 6 weeks, and I've really noticed the difference. So this is how I use the cleanser. So I've got some lukewarm water, which normally I would then make sure I've splashed all over my face. Got a towel to hand. And they come with these absolutely fabulous, these are reusable bamboo cleansing pads, so you can just pop these in the washing machine. They come in a bag in which you can pop them in the washing machine and you literally just wipe off. So let me show you. One pump, and it like that, just a little tiny amount, literally one pump, and then lather all over. And I do use it on my neck, I must confess, and it just smells absolutely divine, really great, and just plumps and cleans the skin. Then what I do, literally using the cleansing pad, dampen that slightly so it's not dry, and then literally just wipe off. How great is that? And my skin underneath is just wonderful. Now I do use this twice a day. I do use it before I go to bed as well as in the morning. Just make sure I get all of my makeup off. And if I've had a day where I've used quite a bit of makeup, or I've been into London and I'm feeling particularly grimy, I do double cleanse with it as well. So it's fantastic to do a double cleanse. Really clean skin. So let me just pad with that. How lovely does that skin feel? Quite plumped, really fresh. So that's the Skin Renew Cleanser.